Welcome to Marble Mania from Team 81, from Andrew Huta, Liam Miller, and Brendon Mersincavage. If you ever get bored of playing the same old games like air hockey, pinball, skittle, foosball, or bubble hockey, we've made a new innovation combining all your old favorites into one. Introducing Marble Mania. Marble Mania is a new game combining all those old games with many obstacles, slingshot attachments, and marbles, and 1-point zone, a 3-point zone, and a 5-point zone for all your points. The ball rebounds back in as the game continues, and the game stops when the time runs out. This game includes many obstacles, marbles, and slingshot attachments. This game will keep you intrigued for hours on end, and with a total cost of around $100, it's exactly what you need to keep the competitiveness alive between your family and friends.